Python how to write to a binary file. I have a list of bytes as integers, which is something like. How can I write this list to a file as binary? Would this work?
This is exactly what byte array is for. If you're using Python 3.x, you can use bytes instead, and probably ought to, as it signals your intention better. But in Python 2.x, that won't work, because bytes is just an alias for str. As usual, showing with the interactive interpreter is easier than explaining with text, so let me just do that. Python 3.x. Python 2.x. Use struct.pack to convert the integer values into binary bytes, then write the bytes. For example. However, I would never give a binary file a .text extension. The benefit of this method is that it works for other types as well. For example, if any of the values were greater than 255, you could use 5i for the format instead to get full 32-bit integers.
To convert from integers is lower than 256 to binary, use the chr function. So you're looking at doing the following.
As of Python 3.2+, you can also accomplish this using the to_bytes native int method. I.e., each single call to _bytes in this case creates a string of length 1, with its characters arranged in big endian order, which is trivial for length 1 strings, which represents the integer value byte. You can also shorten the last 2 lines into a single one.
You can use the following code example using Python 3 syntax. Here is shell one-liner.
If you want to support channel, please consider subscribing.